In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off iMessage on your iPhone. Turning off iMessage can be useful if you are experiencing issues with sending or receiving messages. By following a few simple steps, you can prevent your messages from going through this platform and instead use regular SMS or MMS services. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see an option called Messages. Tap on it. Once you are on this page, you'll see the iMessage option. To turn off iMessage on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.